Hello, Econ 3040 student. In this video, I'm going to go to kaggle.com. I'm going to search for some data. I'm going to download a CSV file. I'm going to move the CSV file to a different folder in my computer. Optionally, I'm going to clean the data in Excel. And then finally, I'm going to load the data into R. Kaggle.com. I'm going to search for COVID and the election. This data set looks good. We see a brief description of the data set at the top. We also see the data set in spreadsheet form a little bit lower down. I'm going to download the data set by clicking the download button. And now we have downloaded the CSV file. I am now in my downloads folder where I downloaded the data set. I am going to move it to a different folder on my computer, a folder that I have called Econ 3040. I paste the file here, and it is a zip file. I'm going to extract everything right into this folder. And now here is the data set that I will be working with. Before I move on, I'm going to do some data cleaning in Excel. So I'll open this file up in Excel and take a quick look at it. I notice that, that's not very good. There are a bunch of missing values. I'm going to take care of that problem later on in R itself. But for now, if I want to do some simple data cleaning, such as deleting some variables that I don't want, I can do that in Excel if I want to. For example, I do not need to know the latitude or the longitude of the location in my data set, so I could just delete those columns. Any changes you want to make to the data set, go ahead and do it in Excel. When you're done, just make sure that you save it as a .csv file. Notice the name and the location of this data file. Now I am in R. I'm going to choose a name for my file that I'm going to load into R, and then I'm going to use the read.csv function. Inside of the quotation marks, I'm going to put the location of the file, followed by the name of the file exactly as it appears with the .csv extension. I run this command and I see now that my data file has popped up in the global environment. We're done. Thank you very much for watching.